Market update for the 20th. So we're still in the third wave, it appears, but we could be in the start of the fourth wave. A few things to note is that we did not break outside of the parallel line, which would confirm that we were in a third wave. We came close, but we didn't do it, which means that this is still potentially an ABC pattern, but I would say that's highly unlikely as well. I think we're still in a 5-wave move, but getting outside the parallel line confirms that it's a third wave. So maybe we're still in the third wave. We haven't seen a consolidation on the 4-hour time frame, and that's what you want to see to confirm that it was in a fourth wave. If we look on the hourly chart, you can see a red bar finally, but I want to see it on higher time frames, and I think the most likely move is A, B, and then we get a C wave down here. Consolidation maybe into Thursday, maybe even into Friday, and then we'll see that 4-hour bar somewhere around in this area right here. So 390 to 392 is where my targets are for the fourth wave. And after that, we would be looking for, let's say we go to even 390. We'd be looking for 402, 403, same thing. So we're right on track for what I've been talking about. The thing that I would be very cautious about in the market right now is that this is coming faster than you think. I think most people are thinking tech earnings are next week. The market will stay up going into earnings, but that's not necessarily the case. We could fourth wave tomorrow and then put in a fifth wave by Monday or Tuesday, or maybe even Friday, be done with this move by the 22nd, and then start falling into tech earnings. And that would affect all of your growth stocks, everything. They would all start falling, and that would be a little bit different than what most people are thinking right now. They probably think there's safety knowing that we have tech earnings next week. Just make sure that you're following the chart and not, going by what you think is going to hold the market up. Because we could very well top out here, fall all the way to 390 or something like that going into tech earnings, and your growth stocks, whatever other stocks you're in, could start falling already. So you got to watch the chart and make sure that you're ready for this next move, because the next move could be, and most likely is going to be, huge to the downside. And it probably is going to start after tech earnings. So we have 1, 2, 3 looking for 390 to 392 for the fourth wave, and then one more move higher for 400 to like 405, probably in the next 2 to 4 trading days. So I would say by the 26th at the latest, we'll probably be at the top of this, and then we'll start moving down. So I'm ready. I got my stocks, all my individual stocks ready. For SPY, I did a little bit of trading today, not really that much because it's been kind of sitting sideways. But just know that there's not that much time left to get everything ready for the next move. So summary, went to 396, probably going to 390 to 392, and then up to 403, and that will be the top. If for some reason we go all the way to 412, then I would be kind of surprised now based on this move. But we'll have to see though. If this third wave ends up going higher, then that would change everything. But right now, I'm going to say the top will be in the next 2 to 4 trading days. So just a quick update. Dollar is staying down. VIX is staying down. I'm not going to look at them today really, but that was the main thing I wanted to drill into people's heads, that the top is closer than you think, and you don't really have that much time to get prepared for the next huge move that is coming.